Think retirement is just about golf and gardening? Let's shake things up a bit. Here's how you, yes you, can start rocking a YouTube business. Alright, let's dive in. Starting a YouTube channel at this stage? Brilliant. But let's keep it real. It's not just about hitting record. First up, understanding your audience. Are you into woodworking, cooking, or maybe storytelling? Pinpoint what you love, because your passion is your ticket to engaging content. Now, onto the nitty-gritty. Video editing and SEO might sound like tech jargon from a sci-fi movie, but hey, it's all learnable. Plenty of tutorials out there that don't require a degree in rocket science. Time for a reality check monetization. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It might take a year before you see that YouTube money rolling in. And the equipment? Quality matters, so consider it a worthy investment. Last piece of advice? Chat with peers who've already jumped onto YouTube. Their insights? Priceless. So what do you say, ready to turn that retirement into a YouTube adventure? Good hunting. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips.